students, today we are going to learn about the second part of the industrialization. And in this topic, second point is the industrial development. The establishment of the industries and industrial development have an important role in the economical development of the country. Industrial development is essential for improving the standard of the living and increase the per capita income of the citizens. The citizens of the countries get employment opportunity and their lifestyle improve. The per capita income of the country goes up. There is an increase in export of finished product. This result is an increase in for goods exchange reserve. For all these reasons, it necessary to give field to industrialization in the countries. That means the establishment of the industries are industry and industrial development have an important role in the economical development of the country. That means in the economical development of the country, the two factors are so important. Which factor? The industries and industrial development. That means the when the any industries are found or established, at that time automatically this area is developed and income is also increased, and at that time the industrial development takes place, the economical development of the any country. Industrial development is essential for improving standard of the living and increase the per capita income of the citizen. That means the industrial development is essential for the improving the standard. That means at that time industrial development increases, that time the living standard of living is also increasing and per capita income is also increasing, and also their lifestyle is increasing. The per capita income of the country goes up. There is an increase in the export of finished product. That means this result of per capita income of the country goes up to their increase in the export or the finished product. This result is an increase the forgive exchange reserve. Of all these reasons, it necessary due for the industrialization. That means these all factors which is necessary for the industrializations in country. The government established the industrial estate to boost the industrial development and increase the employment opportunity to the region. That means the government who was established the industrial estates, at that time the boost of the industrial development, at that time automatically increase the employment opportunity in this region. That means the government who also improve the or establish the any industries at that time at this region, at that place, there were the increase the employment opportunity in this region. Industries have an important role in the economical development of the country. Hence all countries take special effort for promoting industrial development. To enable this industrial estate have been established. These estates are given consequential rates for electricity, water and tax. That means the industry had an important role in the economical development. That means there were the industry which have the important roles in the economical development. म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रीचा काय आहे important role आहे economic development मध्ये. Yes, all countries take special effort for promoting industrial development. Hence the all countries take special effort for promoting industrial development. To enable these industrial estate have been established. These estates are given consequential rates of electricity, water and tax. That means industry estate have been established. And next point is the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. That means MIDC. On August 1962 in Maharashtra, the state government established the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, and though it is set up the industry in every district of the state, this is the decentralization of the industry is accepted throughout the state. That means MIDC. Maharashtra Industrial Corporation, that means MIDC. In the 1st August 1962, in the Maharashtra state government established the Industrial Development Corporation, that means MIDC. When did the government of Maharashtra established the MIDC? On 1st August 1962. And though this is the decentralization of the industry, that means though this is the decentralization of the industries is accepted throughout the state. Like Maharashtra, other states have also established such cooperation. In this industrial estate, very often auxiliary industries have been established. In addition, employment opportunity have been made available to local people, and in this industrial estate, various facilities necessary for the industries have been made available. That means in the Maharashtra, 1 August 1962, the Maharashtra government established the MIDC, and based on this act or based on this, they cooperation or this cooperation through set up the industries of every district of the state. The like Maharashtra, other state have also established, that means as like Maharashtra, other state also established industrial estate. Very often auxiliary industries have been established. In addition, employment opportunity have made available to the local people. In this industrial estate, various facility necessary for have been made available. That means for the industries there were the many facility available for the industry. The next point, there are many advantages of the industrial development. There are also some disadvantages also. That means there were the some advantages of the industrialization and some disadvantages of the industrialization, because industrialization in youth in areas get employment. The industry who is give the employment to the youth. It is also help increase the per capita income, and also the industries give us the increasing per capita income. The income development of an agrarian countries, it is necessary to have industry-based agricultural products. Such industries not only result in agricultural development but also in economical development of the country. That means the industries not only result in the agricultural development but also in the economical development of the country. The standard of living people also arises. Here given the cultural development. Then here given the chart. This chart you draw in your notebook. Here next given information technology is an important engineering branch. Today's world, in this branch work is carried out the computer. In this industry, India has made rapid progress. The ability of skilled manpower is the most important reason for this. That means today's modern age, the information technology, that means IT, is an important engineering branch, and this branch is carried out by the computer. And in the industries in India has made rapid progress in this field, and IT is so important for the today's era. In this industry, searching for technical information, obtaining, analyzing and complaining it, presenting it geographically and providing it as per requirement is the nature of the work. All this information is obtained from the internet, on computers, mobiles and other devices. The creation or development of the social software on this handset is another important component of this industry. That means in the industry searching the technical information. That means in these industries there were the searching information, obtaining, analyzing and the explaining needs and presenting geographical and providing as per requirement of the nature of the work and information obtained from the internet or computer. That means the information is obtaining with the help of the internet and computer, also mobiles and other devices. The creation of development of special software on this handset is another important component of the industry. The creation of development of special software on the handset is another important component of the industries. Today there is an increase the use of the computer and technology. Today there is an increase the use and also use of the computer and technology. There is a great variety in the type of information collecting and it is used all over the world. That means these facilities are used in the overall the world. Next is the corporate social responsibility. When is an industrialized the group of industries work for the betterment of the society and for the conservation of the environment. It is known as corporate social responsibility. That means CSR. That means when the industries or group of industries which is for the betterment of the society and for the conservation of the environment. When an industries or group of industries who was doing work for the betterment of the society, this is betterment of the societies and the conserving the environment. This is known as the corporate social responsibility. That means CSR. Showing responsibility of society by helping its people or needy organization. Showing this responsibility to society by helping needy people and needy organization is an important task force. With these objectives, when an industry or group of industries have made profit of over 5 crores, then the accepted spend listed 2% of profits act to benefit the society. For this, they are assistance in the areas below accepted. That means showing responsibility of society which is helping the people, student and organization. That means who was the made a profit of over the 5 lakhs. These men or they are accepted to spend at least 2% of their profits on act benefiting the society. The areas below accepted. The provision of educational facilities. First is the provisions of the educational facilities. The provisions of facility related to the health. That means the provision which is the facility related to the first educational facilities. Then related to the health. Third is the development of village or region. This goes to the development of the village or region. And last is the established center for the people like environmental development center. Established center for the peoples like environment development centers, etc. There is tax rebate on the amount spent by the industries or group of industries on various schemes under corporate social responsibility. That means the tax rebate the amount spent the industries or group of industries on various schemes under the corporate social responsibility. To understand the topic of the industry. Thank you.